It's in Surah 15 and verse 15 and 17.
When did she ask this question?
A while ago. I mean, not long ago. A few days ago.
Achha. So did she address you or?
Yes, she asked me.
Yes, I understand. Yes.
Verse number 15 to 17 from chapter Al-Hijr. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ولو فتحنا عليهم بابا من السماء فظلوا فيه يعرجون لقالوا إنما سكرت أبصارنا بل نحن قوم مسحورون ولقد جعلنا في السماء بروجا وزيناها للناظرين. And even if we opened to them a gate in heaven and they kept ascending through it, they would surely say, only our eyes are dazed, rather we are a bewitched people. And we have indeed made mentions of stars in the heaven and have adorned it for beholders.
Is this the question you raised before?
No, I haven't asked it before.
You didn't ask the question. Please. What do you want to ask about these verses?
No, she wanted to know what they mean, and I couldn't give her an answer.
So please read the verses again slowly, and I'll answer the question.
Exactly.
The first verse says,
Before that.
I see.
Because I want to know the context in which this is said.
Yes.
Please.
إِنَّا نَحْنُ نَزَّلْنَا الذِّكْرَ وَإِنَّا لَهُ لَحَافِظُونَ وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا مِنْ قَبْلِكَ فِي شِيَعِ الْأَوَّلِينَ وَمَا يَأْتِيهِم مِّن رَّسُولٍ إِلَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ كَذَلِكَ نَسْلُكُهُ فِي قُلُوبِ الْمُجْرِمِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِهِ وَقَدْ خَلَتْ سُنَّةُ الْأَوَّلِينَ وَلَوْ فَتَحْنَا عَلَيْهِم بَابًا مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ فَظَلُّوا فِيهِ يَعْرُجُونَ لَقَالُوا إِنَّمَا سُكِّرَتْ أَبْصَارُنَا بل نحن قوم مسحورون ولقد جعلنا في السماء بروجا وزيناها للناظرين وحفظناها من كل شيطان رجيم.
This is all very clear when you read the context. This statement begins with the first prime statement in the beginning, that we have descended this zikr upon you. We have revealed this Qur'an to you. So evidently from here onward the mention is to the spiritual world, not to the material world. Once you understand this, then all the verses which follow become very clear. When God claims that He has revealed the Qur'an to Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and He is responsible for guarding it, then the similarity which is created between the heaven and what happens in the heavens when people intrude, that similarity is used to express a situation which is spiritual in nature. These people who deny the truth of a prophet, who claims that something has descended upon him from on high, from Allah, they always talk in this term as if it is a physical something which they can reach a height and see, watch for themselves what's happening. Like Pharaoh did. He told his engineers to build a very tall building so that he can climb that building and see with his own eyes the God of Moses. Now, it is they who misunderstand the terminology used by religion. The prophets never claim God to be a material God. They never claim that His revelation can be heard by others while they are here on earth and nobody can hear them. So it's very stupid for the Pharaoh to think that he can rise up and see the phenomenon of revelation from there. It is the same thing which was repeated at the time of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. People of Mecca, those who rejected him, they said it's not possible. They questioned the very authenticity of the phenomenon. In answer to this, it is said that we have revealed Azrekar, that is Al-Qur'an, and we are going to guard it against intruders. Now, neither the zikr is material and physical, nor the intruder, nor guarding refers to material interference. If it is taken as material interference, the statement also holds good as far as the Qur'an is concerned. Whoever will attempt to change even a letter of the Qur'an, he will find resistance against that, and he will never be able to succeed. That is what we have seen in real history. But also whoever would like to change the meaning of the Qur'an to his own liking, which is not intended by God, then God will send like shooting stars, spiritual persons will strike at him, and he will not be able to directly hear anything, or he will not be able to change anything which has been revealed. See? This is what is all mentioned in parables. And a Christian should understand parables because he is so used to them. Okay? And with that, I take leave and you start translating. As much as you can in this time, right? Some